Hello guys, it's Mokobeye. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to turn on the dark screen mode in your WhatsApp. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your WhatsApp account, after which you click on this three dots here. Once you're there, you click on settings, after which you simply click on what? Chat. Once you get to chat, you simply click on them, after which you click on what? Dark. So guys, once you're done with that, you click on OK. So guys, if you want to bring it back to the light mode, you simply click back on it. So guys, this is actually the way you actually change your WhatsApp screen to a dark mode. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.